I don't want to get out of bed every day. But we do it. We do it, and we try to keep our stuff together.
Try.
And just get through every day.
The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children released an age progression photo of what Michael would look like today. Then 5-year-old Michael was reported missing on July 27th of 2021, and he's not been seen since. Police believe his remains were once buried in a backyard very close to his home in Fruitland. The people who lived in the home, Stacy and Sarah Wandra, remain suspects in the case, along with 2 other people police previously named. Today, the Fruitland police chief said in a statement, quote, "Despite the possibility of confusion, we found it necessary to make the photo public as an additional resource in the search for Michael, who has yet to be found. We believe we have a firm understanding of the events that occurred on July 27th of 2021, but it ultimately depends on the Payette County prosecutor to assemble the case and move it forward," end quote.
Time for bed now.
But I still want to look at some stars.
He is pure joy, love, excitement, much excitement, energy, lots of energy. You can't not fall in love with him.
What are you doing?